Today we will study about pronouns. It is a very simple and easy topic. Pro means for and noun means name of a person, place or thing. So a word that is used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. Read the passage. Arham is a little boy. Arham lives near my house. Arham is very smart. Everyone loves Arham. Now here in this passage, the noun is Arham, who is a little boy. Now Arham is a little boy. He lives near my house. He is very smart. Everyone loves him. He and him are pronouns that we used instead of noun, that is Arham. For singular, we use I, me, you, he, she and it, and for plural, we use we, us, you, they and them. He or him is used for boy or a man. He is my friend. I like him. Here he and him are pronouns. She and her are used for girl or woman. She is Fatima. Can you see her? We and us are used for plural. We will go to school. Wait for us. I or me are used for singular. I am going to the market. Give me money. You is used for singular and plural. You are late. Can I help you? I know you. It is used for a thing or a creature. It is a biscuit tin. Open it. It is a dog. It is a cup. They and them are used for plural nouns. They are my friends. I go out with them. There are many animals in the zoo. People go to see them. Let's make some sentences using pronouns. He is my friend. I like him. Here he, I and him are pronouns. I am a teacher. Give me the book. We will go to the market. Wait for us. Can I help you? It is a bird. Look at it. My books are missing. They were here yesterday. Where did I put them? Now the underlined words are the pronouns. He, I, we, you, it, they and them. Now replace the nouns with suitable pronouns. The passage is, let's read it. Salman got into a bus. The bus was crowded, but Salman found a seat. Then a lady came into the bus. The lady had to stand. Salman asked the lady to sit in his place. The lady thanked Salman. Now we will use pronouns instead of the nouns that are written in black. Now the bus will be replaced with it. Salman got into a bus. It was crowded, but he found a seat. Then a lady came into the bus. She had to stand. Salman asked her to sit in his place. She thanked Salman. Pronouns are used instead of nouns. It instead of the bus, he instead of Salman, she instead of the lady here, her instead of the lady over here, and again she instead of the lady over here. In this way we have solved this, that by replacing the nouns with suitable pronouns. Let's do another exercise. Choose the right pronoun. We or us saw a beautiful bird. Now what is the right pronoun? We. We saw a beautiful bird. Me or I can climb that wall. I can climb that wall. She or her is my sister. She is my sister. They or them are my shoes. They are my shoes. This is a present for you or for him. For you. In this way we have chosen the right pronouns. Hope you have understood the whole concept of pronouns and you will practice it for better learning. Thank you.